Are you filming still?
Head north.
Are you still filming?
This route avoids a road closure in London. You are on the fastest route.
So I've got some bad news, everyone. The vlog is going to be pretty boring today because basically I woke up early. I went, started my I did my daily tasks. I did did my yoga, did the handstands, etc. Sorry, did the yoga, did the headstands. I started on my handstands, and I filmed all of that. And then I had a corrupted SD card, so all my footage was deleted. At 10, we had to leave to go to this tech rehearsal, which took all day until now. Now it's like 8:30. So, and I've just been to PC World to get another memory card because the vlog must go on. So yeah, sorry, I'm going to keep it short and not so sweet today. But hopefully when I get home, I'm going to do at least one goal. Okay, I'm back. So this is a wrist roll, like that. But this is the vertical one. And I want to learn a wrist roll horizontally. So something like that. Almost did it already, which is really good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure normal wrist roll. Normal wrist roll. It's not quite right. There you go. So the second nunchuck trick I wanted to learn was the same horizontal wrist roll, but now it's going to be above my head. So I'm going to have to be kneeling for this, I think. But in theory, it should be exactly the same difficulty, maybe easier. So there you go. That was a very easy 2 goals. Well, cheers people. These 2 tricks were not really that hard. I got them almost straight away. But a goal is a goal. These, particularly the nunchucks and the butterfly knife, they were not specific tricks that I wanted to learn. It was more, I wanted to expand my repertoire. So I kind of just looked up some tricks that I thought would be cool. But yeah. Nunchucks went really well. The butterfly tricks on the YouTube, I remember they were sort of under advanced category, so maybe the butterfly knife will be a bit harder, but we will see. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Sorry it's short. Tomorrow will be better.